What's Atlas doing to try and, retain people and make them feel at home and want to stay?
Well, most of the employees really love being at Atlas. It's like a family atmosphere.
Sure.
If we can help change your schedule slightly so you can come in an hour later.
Flexibility.
We try to be flexible. It's manufacturing, so you can't be overly flexible because the machines are only going to be running.
Yeah.
But if we can be flexible, we try to be as flexible as possible. We just had a huge pool party at my house, and all the employees came with their families and children and grandchildren. So that was a blast. So we spend a lot of time, helping our employees as much as we can.
Right.
We're starting what we call Atlas University, where we're going to offer different programs for them, and it could be just Excel or Word. It can, so we're still in the development stage and.
Investing, but looking at ways. So that's really interesting, right? I think a lot of times when we talk to people about what they're doing on a retention basis, they spend a lot of time talking about kind of the nice things, and they're good. Flexibility is great, and pool party is fantastic. You got to invite me to the next one. All that stuff's great, but I think you're touching on something that I'm not sure people look at and think about enough, which is, what are we doing to grow the people inside of our organizations and improve their opportunities and make them better and more valuable?